Immaculate and well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home on January 2nd acre in Whitehoujse ISD with a Tyler address. This open floor plan with flexibility is perfect for entertaining or everyday living. The kitchen is equipped with granite countertops, stainless appliances, pantry, and is open to the living area with wood-burning fireplace, breakfast room, and formal dining room currently used as office space. The split master bedroom with recessed ceiling has an ensuite bath with double sinks, separate tub and shower, and separate walk-in closets. The 2 guest rooms share a full hall bath and provide ample space for family or guests. Outside, enjoy the above-ground, chlorine pool and large, fully fenced yard. This home is a gem you do not want to miss. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.